Mr. Speaker, the government continues to expand critical infrastructure in roads, rails, sea and airports to create an enabling environment for economic recovery and employment creation. Towards this end, I have proposed an allocation of shilling 182.5 billion, excluding the provisions I have set aside for the economic stimulus program and the Big Four agenda to support construction of roads and bridges, as well as their rehabilitation and maintenance. Mr. Speaker, the rehabilitation of the meter gauge railway has improved interconnectivity and reduced traffic congestion on our roads. To continue improving public transport within the Nairobi metropolitan area, I have set aside shilling 1.3 billion for railway metro lines. Further, Mr. Speaker, to expand railway transport to the rest of the country, I have set aside shilling 27.2 billion for phase 2 of the standard gauge railway, shilling 2 billion for construction and rehabilitation of Naivasha Inland Container Depot, Malaba Line, shilling 2 billion for construction and rehabilitation of Riruta, Lenana, Ngong Railway, shilling 1.1 billion to complete rehabilitation of the Nairobi-Nanyuki meter gauge railway line, and shilling 700 million to complete rehabilitation of the Nakuru-Kisumu meter gauge railway. I have also set aside shilling 2 billion for the Kenya National Shipping Yard. Mr. Speaker, to support development of our ports, I have proposed an allocation of shilling 7.5 billion for the construction of the Mombasa Port Development Project and shilling 7.5 billion for the LAPSSET project. Further, I have set aside shilling 128 million for insurance of ferries for the Likoni Channel, shilling 149 million for the maintenance of ferries and jetty headquarters, and shilling 603 million for construction and expansion of airports and airstrips. Mr. Speaker, to support production of reliable and affordable energy, I have set aside a total of shilling 71.9 billion, excluding the provisions set aside under the Big Four initiatives. Out of these, shilling 50.1 billion will cater